How to apply for Amazon job. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you ways to apply for Amazon. Now, applying to Amazon is a relatively straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to go to Amazon job website. So for that, open up a browser, type in amazon.jobs. That's going to take you to the official page, which is going to look something like this. Now, you can use the search bar or browse through the category to find job listing that matches your skills, experiences, and interests. You can filter job listing by location, job type, category, and more. So just go ahead and type in that, and then type in the location. Click the magnifying glass icon, and after that you can go ahead and click on a job listing to view the job description, qualifications, and other detail. Carefully review the job requirement to ensure it aligns with the background and career goal. Now you'll be directed to sign in or sign up fields. You go ahead and log in into your account and then complete the applications and review your application to ensure all the information is correct and complete. Once you're satisfied, submit your application through the Amazon job website and monitor your application status. Then you just have to go ahead and prepare your interview, and then you can receive your job offers. And once you're accepted the job offer, you'll go through an onboarding process where you'll complete paperwork, receive training, and get up for a new role at Amazon. So that is how you can apply for Amazon. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.